A few weeks ago, I made a video comparing several weld-through primers. I showed you how well they sprayed and the welding characteristics. We saw a close-up of the welded side and non-welded side, but today we're going to take a look at that non-welded side to see how well it held up against the elements after being left out for over 2 weeks. Alright, so here are the weld coupons. They've been sitting on top of this pipe, angled, so they don't puddle. And it's been a little over 2 weeks. Obviously that's the front side, but what's more important is the back side. Look at that. A little bit there. Ooh, that one's did really good. The steel, it has some surface rust there on the heat effective zone. So does a U-pull. Guys, it looks like duplicolor. Did your top pick change? I think mine did after seeing the results. Thanks for watching this video. My name is Edgar Cisneros, and I'll see you on the next one.